How often you should change your car's oil depends on several factors, including the age and make of your vehicle. Most car manufacturers recommend changing your oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, or every 3 to 6 months. However, newer car models may have longer oil change intervals, some up to 7,500 or even 10,000 miles. It's important to refer to your vehicle's owner manual to determine the manufacturer's recommended oil change schedule. Driving conditions can also impact how often you should change your oil. If you frequently drive in severe conditions such as extreme heat or cold, stop-and-go traffic, or dusty environments, you may need more frequent oil changes. Regular oil changes are crucial to maintaining the health and longevity of your car's engine. Old, dirty oil can become less effective at lubricating the engine, leading to increased friction and wear. This can result in reduced fuel efficiency, decreased performance, and even engine damage. If you neglect to change your oil regularly, you may also void your car's warranty. Another factor to consider is the type of oil used in your car. Conventional oil typically requires more frequent changes compared to synthetic oils or high-performance oils. Checking your oil level regularly can also help you determine if an oil change is necessary. If the oil appears low or dirty, it's a sign that it's time for a change. In general, it's better to err on the side of caution and change your oil more frequently than less. Regular oil changes are a simple and affordable way to extend the life of your vehicle and keep it running smoothly. Rev up your support for CarSwagger. Subscribe to stay in the fast lane for the latest car reviews, exciting adventures, and expert insights. Hit that like button if you're a true car enthusiast. Drop a comment with your favorite car model or what you'd love to see next. Don't forget to share. Spread the word by sharing this video with your fellow gearheads. Join the CarSwagger community and let's drive into the future together.